Hello, hi, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, hi, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, good morning. Bharat is only saying good morning. Vamsi, good morning. Harsha, good morning. Mani, good morning. Sheikh, good morning. Bagunara, Bagunara. Everyone Manchi at home. Bagunara, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. So everyone Manchi at home. Hi, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy morning. Yeah. So everyone Manchi at home. Everyone Manchi at home. Yeah, very good, very good. So what's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? Chilling or studying? What's going on? Congratulations, thank you. Congratulations to all of you also, because you are also part of Gosalites family. And from our Gosalites family, we have got EWS rank 1, All India rank 1 in our EWS category. And total, if you see, rank 25. Yeah. So congratulations to you also, congratulations to me also, and congratulations to entire Gosalites family. Yeah. And tomorrow maybe you will be present in place of them. This year students are, yeah, so only one thing will change. Next year name of the student will change. Again we will get such rank, again we will get such marks, no problem. 711, 710, these are the highest marks. Yeah, so again next year also we will get, but names will change, students will change. Maybe some of you will be among one of them. Yeah, so for that you have to work hard during this coming entire 11 month. 11 month, only one thing is required, one motivation is required, that anyhow I have to get very good rank, very good marks in the NEET 2024, and there is no hidden secret for it. Only one thing is there, do your best hard work. Remaining thing we will do. Remaining how to guide you, what to tell you to study, all these things we will do. Don't worry about that. Yeah. Okay. Is it okay? Let's say answer fast. Yeah, okay, sir. Wow, nice answer. Yeah. Kusuma is getting 413. No problem, Kusuma. Maybe this year your success is delayed. But don't worry, it is not denied. Work hard, you will get next year. Don't worry about it. Yeah. You can tell your marks. Some of you can tell your marks also, no problem. I will see how many marks you are getting. Which yesterday result came now, so you must have seen the result. So that's why. Sriram 422, that's a good marks. Little hard work required, you will get. Mukapati 517, very good marks. You will get very easily. Just work hard during this coming 11 months. 408, that's also very good marks. 595, Satyanarayan, that is very good marks. I think you'll get the seat. Raidu 467, that's also good marks, no problem. 400 above is not problem at all. Only do hard work, easily you'll cross 650, 600 in the NEET 2024. Don't worry about it. Someone is saying 135. No problem, Vishnu. You can also get. People get. We have seen one girl was getting 95 marks. She's getting 641 marks this year. Last year she got 9. You will come for boys or girl. Right now I'm coming for you. Don't worry about it. Yeah, Vamsi 340, Kuncham Lesundi. Always remember, there is nothing who can beat hard work. If you do hard work, these marks will not matter. You can easily cross 600. You can easily cross 650 marks. Yeah. So you must realize what mistake you did during this 1 year and don't repeat them in the next coming 1 year. Work for it, you will get. Raidu 109 marks in physics. Super, very good. Yeah. Work hard, cross 160 next time. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So marks are good. Yeah, Vamsi, I know you are old student. Yeah, I'm getting idea. Yeah. So Mukapati 517 are very good. Just if you know only 25 more questions by studying during this coming 1 month, 11 month, you can easily cross 600 marks. Mukapati, very good. Well done. Only seat you are not getting, that doesn't matter. Work hard during this 1 year. You'll get very good rank, very good marks in the next year. So most of you are getting more than 4. Good, very good. Anirudh's 468 SC, you'll get the seat also. Don't worry about it. Maybe cutoff will increase little bit. Chance is there. We have to see the state rank. Once a state rank will come, then exact idea about cutoff will come. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Kirti 426, that's good marks. No problem. Work hard during this coming 1 year. You'll cross 600 very easily. Ravi Teja 4504 is a good marks, Ravi. Don't worry. Maybe God do not want you to give any Chadda college. He want you to give AIMS college. That's why he has stopped you at 504 so that you can work hard and cross 650 next year. Always remember, take every negativity in a positive manner. Those who are getting more than 500, they may be thinking, sir, I'm missing college by 20, 30 marks. Maybe, yeah. Maybe God don't you want to give you the last colleges. He has planned you the best college. That is possible. That's why God is stopping you at 500 so that you can work hard and reach to best college. No problem. Yeah. 393 ST category, chance is there. In Telangana, chance is there. In AP, I don't have that much idea. Yeah, this year 710 also not getting AIMS Delhi. You see how much competition has been increased. Means lots of hard work you have to do during this coming 1 year. 1 year, 11 months, mottam hard work. Mottam hard work petandi. And don't think of 550, 570. No, think minimum of 650. So that if you target even for 650, 10, 20 less marks will also come, you'll get the best college. Means me target should be of 700, 720, but okay, no problem. Some people will think, sir, how I can get that much of marks? Then you can target for 650 also, no problem. Yeah. Old NCRT, new NCRT, right now we don't have any idea. No clarification came about. Yeah, this is a common doubt people are asking, so I will tell. Yeah. Point is, Acha, do you know in semiconductor transistor is there in NCRT or not? Is transistor is there in NCRT or not? Is transistor is there in semiconductor? Is transistor is there? I will just tell you one thing. Is transistor is there? Is transistor is there in NCRT? It's not there. It's not there. But in the Manipur NEET, one question came from the transistor. In Manipur NEET, one question came. Few days back, Manipur NEET happened now. One question came from there. One question came from there. They have removed the transistor. From last 3-4 years, they were not asking. But this year, Manipur NEET, one question came from the transistor. So until and unless NCRT doesn't matter, until and unless it is not said by NTA that we are reducing the syllabus, we will not reduce the syllabus. We'll follow old syllabus. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Yeah, 439 ST seat will come. Don't worry. You'll get the seat. 439 ST, definitely you'll get the seat. Don't worry about it. Yeah. So point is, those people are liar. You know, NTA people are liar. They will say it is removed. They can give question. So that's why we'll not take the risk. Point is, we can reduce the syllabus. Our load will be also reduced. Your load will be also reduced. But point is, guarantee is not there. And proof is, you can see Manipur NEET, which happened few days back, 4-5 days, 10 days back it happened. Their question came from transistor. They have removed transistor everywhere. Transistor is not there, but question came. Do you want to risk yourself like that? ST chance is there, Gagandeep. You talked with me on WhatsApp, na? Chance is there. New colleges are also there. Yeah, MCI will be conducting this year NEET. So maybe some changes will happen that we will get to know. Don't worry about it. Once surety will come, we will be the first person to tell you. Don't worry about it. Is it okay? Is it okay? Once surety will come. Right now, all these are rumors that syllabus is reduced. All these YouTubers are giving all these things just to create sensation. That is fake things. Minority 451 chance is there. No problem. Yeah, chance is there. So all these are just creating sensation to increase their views. We will not create that. Once surety will come, we will be the first person to tell you. Is it okay? 590 definitely seat will come. Why you are worrying? You'll get Guntur Medical College easily. Don't worry. 590 Guntur Medical College vaste. Don't worry. Okay, no problem. Yeah. 435 Telangana tough. Kuddiga tough undi. It will not come. 435 Telangana OC will not come. General Andhra it will come. Aged I said 590. It will come. You'll get the college. Don't worry. BC I don't know. Yeah. Andhra will not come. I think Andhra Medical College tough. Andhra Medical College is tough. Now people started asking me about cutoff. You see, yeah, I know the excitement. Yeah, okay, no problem. Once the marks come, once the result come, everyone start thinking about whether I will get the seat or not. Yeah, don't worry for that. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we will have a meeting. We'll have a meeting on YouTube and Zoom where we will tell you about the cutoff. Is it okay? Is it okay? Kalyani, you'll get 563. Andhra, you'll get the seat. You'll get the seat. Is it okay? There it will be better. Their exact idea will be there. Then we can say with confidence also that whether how much cutoff will increase, which college will have how much cutoff. Don't worry about it. Just wait for 1-2 days. 1-2 days low. Gopika. Have the Gopika. Have the Gopika. Gopika undi na? No. Opika. Sorry. Opika. For a few days, just have Opika. We will have a meeting. There we will discuss about all this thing. Opika, not Gopika, Opika. Yeah, okay. So for 2 days, just have Opika. We will have a meeting where we will discuss in detail about the cutoff. What is happening to the cutoff? Cutoff is increasing or decreasing. Is it okay? Is it okay? Yeah, Shiva, Pradeep, that's good marks. 415. You can work hard. You can easily increase your marks. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Leave all these things. Shall we start with the class? Shuru kare, padhai kare thoda. Shall we start with the class? Targeting next NEET, we will cross 700. We'll reach to 720. Minimum, we'll get 650. Come on. We are starting our class having that target in the mind. No problem. This year, our success may have been delayed. God don't want to give us worst college. God want us to give best college. And for that, He's asking us to work for 1 year. One more year. Yes, sir, we will work for 1 more year. And then we will rock in the NEET 2024. So with that attitude, we'll be starting with our class. Cut off all these things will be told to you separately in a meeting. Yeah. What is secret of your style, sir? That is, I am like that. Yeah. If you'll be happy from inside, you'll be always stylish. Don't worry about it. Yeah. You'll become more stylish than me in the college. Don't worry. Just you have to crack this exam. Once you crack, you'll go to medical college. There you'll become more stylish than me. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So, as I said in the last class also, physics, okay. Born to, yeah. So point is now we'll start with the class. Already we had one half an hour Muhurtam class also. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Half an hour Muhurtam class was also there where I told you about how offline classes are started. Online is separately we are doing. Offline also started, online also started. So those who are willing to come offline, come as fast as possible. Because you will take some days to adjust also to the environment. So come as quick as possible. Don't waste your time at home. At home, no one is yours. Yours is only one thing. That is NEET 2024. So leave your home. Modi became PM after leaving home. Gautam Buddha became Gautam Buddha after leaving home. So those who remain in the home, they don't get that much of success. If you want success, leave your home. Come to the campus, start studying. So I told you physics will be divided into 3 tracks. Track 1, track 2, track 3. Track 1, I will take. Track 2, Mohit sir will take. Track 3, Sunil sir will take. Yeah, 3 tracks will be there, no problem. Yeah. And I told you in track 1, calculus will be there. And calculus has 2 parts, differentiation and integration. We were talking about word function. Shall we start with, yesterday Mohit sir took your class of trigonometry. Today we will start with, in chemistry also 3 tracks are there. In track 3, graphs are there. Now again, who is writing GRFS? Manish sir has other classes, so that's why Manish sir or Mohit sir or me all are, or Anshu sir, all are equal, no problem. There is no difference. Girls campus, Manish sir is there. Yeah, okay, no problem. Now who is asking how is Priya ma'am? Chalo yaar, let's me start the class. Yeah, chalo class shuru karte hai. Chalo, okay, no problem. Yeah. So everyone remembered meaning of word function? Meaning of word function? Meaning of word function which we did in the last class? Everyone remembered? Function means dependency. Yeah, okay, no problem. So we'll have a quick recap. I will start as a fresh class. Yeah, okay, no problem. Function means dependency. Everyone remember? No problem, no problem. So just for 2 minutes, I will tell what I told you. Yeah. We will be starting, those who are listening class for the first time, means those who were absent in our Muhurtam class, first class, that was of half an hour. For them, we will start with our part calculus. And in calculus, I said you, 2 parts are there. 2 parts are there. And these 2 parts are very important. Don't take these classes lightly, Baba. Always remember, building is good only when its foundation is good. And these are the topics which will develop the foundation of physics. Yeah. So come on, remaining people can tell what are the 2 parts of calculus. One is your differentiation, which will be used in every chapter. There is not even a single chapter in entire physics. Whether it is theoretical chapter, whether it is numerical chapter, doesn't matter. There is not even a single chapter in physics where differentiation will not be used. And second part is integration. Integration. So those who are writing for the first time, they can write like this. That calculus will be starting with the topic calculus. Entire year classes will not happen on YouTube, just for 1 week, because some technical works are there. After that, we'll start on the app in few days, I think 1 week. Yeah. So calculus I'll be teaching you calculus. Basic maths part, I'll be talking about calculus. Calculus means differentiation and integration. No problem, no problem. Everyone has written 2 parts, differentiation, second part integration. Writing done? Writing done? एक बार बोल दो yes or no. Done, sir. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Yeah. Then I was saying you before starting differentiation. Done, sir. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good, very good. Yeah. Then I was saying you before starting differentiation, you must have idea about a quantity which is known as function. You must have idea about a quantity. Yeah. We will talk about graphs later on. पहले ये देखो. Whatever coming first, see that. This is important part. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Huh? In the app, you have to take admission. It's not like that it's money or free. You have to take admission, then you can attend the class. Yeah. So function word I was talking about, meaning of function word is dependency. Meaning of word function is dependency. So those who are attending class for the first time, they can write function means dependency. And from here we will start. In last class we ended here. From here we will start. Function word means dependency. So always remember, now dhyan dena. Now actually seriously I am saying we have entered into actual part of calculus, actual part of differentiation. So always remember, in physics, in our day-to-day life, we have so many functions. We have birthday function, marriage function, engagement function. All those things we don't talk in physics. In physics and in maths, word function means dependency. If one quantity will depend on other quantity, dependent quantity will be known as its function. Always remember. You can see, for example, if you look at me, I am standing here now, right now my position is this. With time, my position will change. So you will say your position is function of time. Word function in physics means dependency. So always remember, this will be not used only here. Tomorrow they will say Velocity is function of time. Acceleration is function of time. Momentum is function of time. Flux is function of time. Function word means, come on, everyone will tell what is the meaning of word function. क्या होता है function word का meaning बताओ. What is the meaning of word function? Function means जल्दी त्वरगा. Function means dependency. Function means dependency. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah, okay. So word function means dependency. One quantity will depend on another quantity. Word function means dependency. No problem. Yeah. Acha, can you tell me area of a circle depends on what? Can you tell me what area of circle depends on what? Area of circle depends on what? Area of circle depends on what? Its radius. Area of circle depends on radius, na? So that's why we will say, in physics you will not say area of a circle depends. No, you will simply say, for example, I'm talking about some examples of function. In physics we will say area of a circle. Area of circle is function of its radius. Area of circle is function of radius. This is the way to say area of circle is function of its radius. Can you give me any other example? Can you give me any other example? Can you give me any other example of function? Achha, you tell me, volume of a sphere is function of what? Volume of a sphere is function of what? Volume of a sphere is function of what? Function of what? Volume of a sphere is function of what? Again, radius. Again, a sphere don't have side, baba. A sphere has radius. Yeah. A sphere has radius. Yeah. So similar manner. Again, volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere is function of. Again, is function of its radius. Any other example? Any other example from your side? 2 example I give. Any other example? You can say frequency is function of time period. Good example. You can say frequency is function of its time period. Function of time period. You can say no problem. You can say time period. Yeah, function of. Any other example? Any other example? Come on, run your mind. Now classes started. Your brain should work now. Arre bol do ek baar. Acceleration is function of time. Very good. No problem. You can say like that. Success is function of dedication. Wow. Intensity is function of area. Position as a function of so many things are there. Okay, so point is in physics all the quantities depend on each other. Those dependent quantities are known as function. Tomorrow you can say resistance of a wire is function of its length and cross sectional area. Tomorrow this is how questions will come. Tomorrow you can say, if I'm walking like this, come on, you tell me, if I'm walking like this, what you can say? If you are walking somewhere, I'm walking in the class like this. Batao, what you can say? What is changing? What is function of time? Come on, tell me if I'm walking like this. Come on. If I'm walking like this, you will say position. Sir, your position is function of time. Your position is depending on, if I'm standing here, then you say, sir, your position is not function of time. Your position is not changing. It is not depending on time. But once we will start walking, our position will change with time. So there we can say position is function of time. Are you getting the meaning of word function? Did you got the idea about word function? Because this word function will be used everywhere in entire physics. Come on, everyone got the idea? If you got the idea, tell me what is the meaning of word function? What is the meaning of word function? What is the meaning of word function? In short, what is the meaning? One word for word function. Function means, jaldi bata do, twarga. Word function means, kya hota hai function? Function means dependency. If one quantity depends on other quantity, the dependent quantity is known as its function. Function means dependency. So one thing should be always there in your mind. Whenever what function will come in the physics, that means dependency. Is it okay? Is it okay? Bolo bolo. Shall we move further? आगे बढ़े? Shall we move further? आगे बढ़े? अच्छा, okay, no problem. Yeah. Acha, can you tell me which alphabet we should select for representing function? No need to write function every time now. Which alphabet we will select for representing function? Can you think which alphabet? You can guess it. Very tough guessing I am giving you. We have taken small f as the representation. Yeah, we have taken function we represent by small f. Just see here how we'll be talking. For example, you know area of circle. For example, I'm talking about representation. How to represent function. Is no need to write every time function word. You can write in short representation. This is how we represent. So we say area of circle is pi r square. So we can say like this, area of circle is function. You can see area is depending on radius now. Area is depending on radius now. So we'll say area is function of radius, whose value is pi r square. Similarly, you can say like this. Yeah, similarly, you can say like this. For example, volume of a sphere, you know, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So from here, you will say volume of the sphere is function of its radius, whose value is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is pi r cube. And this is small f we have selected to represent function. Is it okay? Ardhamenda? Sabko samajh mein aaya? It is depending on r, so that's why function of r. It is depending on r, that's why function of r. Ardhamenda? Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. For example, one more last example we will talk. Yeah. For example, if I say y equal to x square, can you tell how you will represent in the terms of function? How you will represent it? कैसे represent करोगे y equal to x square? How you represent with the help of function? Come on, tell me. You can see here y is depending on x. Here y is, yeah, okay, no problem. This class will run for few days on YouTube. After that, we'll have on the app. Y equal to x square. Come on, you will say how to write. Very good. We'll say, sir, y is depending on x. Are dekho baba, if you put x0, y will be 0. If you put x1, y will be 1. You see, if you put x2, y will be 4. So here we will say, sir, y depends on x. Y depends on x. So that's why we'll say y is function of x and whose value is x square. This is the way it will come in your physics. Yeah. Is it okay? Y equal to fx. Why here we are writing fx? Here we were writing fr because it was function of radius. That's why fr. Now it is function of x. That's why fx. Is it okay? समझ गए? Everyone got the idea? Yeah, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Y is function of x whose value is x square. No problem. No, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Now ध्यान देना. Be focused. Something I am going to tell. Something. Most important point till now I have told you so many things, but most important point I am going to tell, which will connect us to the differentiation. Dhyan dena, be focused. Understand how we'll be talking. Dhyan dena. Be focused. Just see here, yeah. Acha, you tell me. Here, if I change x, what will happen to y? If I change x, what will happen to y? Y will change or not? Here, if we change x, what will happen to y? Does y will change or not? Of course, sir. That is the meaning of function now. Y is function of x. That means if you change x, y will change. Achha, you tell me, okay. So that is the meaning. That is the meaning of function. Sir, if you change x, you can see I am changing x, y is also changing. Now dhyan dena. Be focused. Just see here, yeah. Achha, you tell me, does only change is important? or how fast change is happening is also important. You tell me, ध्यान दो. Point is very clear. Sir, y is function of x. Tomorrow if you change the x, definitely y will change. But you tell me, does change of y is only important, or how fast y is changing, that is also important. Both are equally, but ध्यान देना, be focused, ध्यान दो, just see here, okay, no problem, be focused, just see. For example, you see, I am standing here, this will give you some idea. I am standing here, for example, if I started walking, if I ध्यान देना, be focused, just see here. For example, on the board I am saying, I am standing here, I started walking, I went here, I went here. Finally, I reached here. Understand? Second, first situation, I went from here to here in time of 1 minute. Second situation also, I went from here to here in a time of 5 minutes. If you see, my change in position is same. Here also same amount of position change. Here also same amount of position change. But does both motions are same? Is both motions are same? In one motion, my initial, this is my home, this is my second home, that is our Gosalites campus. You tell me, in both situations, I went from home to Gosalites campus. Both situations. But does both motions are same? Ledu, sir. Ledu. So always remember, only change is not important. Important is also how fast change is happening. And wherever we talk now, how fast change is happening, we talk about another word which is known as rate of change. You can write this point. Rate of change. Rate of change is the most important thing. Rate of change. Rate of change, the most important part, which will be starting from here. And this is the place where entire physics will depend. Entire kinematics, what you study. Tell me what is velocity. Tell me what is velocity. You are long-term people, you have basic idea. You tell me what is velocity. Batao velocity kya hota hai? What is velocity? Batao ek baar. What is velocity? What is rate? Not this. That is a formula. I'm asking definition. What is velocity? Rate of change of position, rate of change of displacement, rate of change of distance, velocity, rate of change. See, same rate of change we are talking. That's why I said whatever we are studying right now are very important. For example, what is acceleration? Come on, tell me, what is acceleration? Very good. What is acceleration? Come on. What is acceleration? Bata do, what is acceleration? Jaldi batao. Rate of change of velocity. Rate. Everywhere word rate comes. Entire physics, mottam physics law, rate word is always used. What is force? Come on, tell me. I'm just trying to tell you what is the importance of this word rate. What is force? Newton's second law, what is the force? Come on. What is force? What is force? What is force? What is force? Rate of change of momentum. Rate of change of momentum. There also word rate comes. What is power? Rate of work done. What is induced EMF? Rate of change of magnetic flux. So everywhere word rate comes. That's why this rate is very important. Yeah. Now you tell me, okay, no problem. So something I wanted to tell you. So point is, okay, now be focused here again. Again, don't get confused. Again, be focused. Yeah. Again, I will ask. Does only change of quantity is important? Or how fast quantity is changing, that is also important. Is both are important or only change is important? Both are important, sir. Both are. Only change is not important. In order to get exact idea, you must know how fast change is happening. And always remember how both are very good, very good. Everyone is saying, sir, now we understood both are important. Only change is not important. How fast change is happening, that is also important. And whenever we talk about how fast any change is happening, that is known as rate of change. Rate of change. You write. It represents, this is the meaning of rate of change. It represents, now you can write, it represents how fast a quantity changes. 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 Now again, before moving further, just I will give you one more example. So rate of change represents how fast a quantity changes. How fast a quantity changes when variable is changed. Variable means if y is function of x, when you change x, how fast y will change when variable is changed. So till now, two words I have made you clear. First word function means dependency. Second word, rate of change means how fast a quantity changes. Okay, is it okay? This week no exam is there. Next week exam is there. Is it okay? आगे बढ़े? I will give you one more example just to give you clarity about what is actually this rate of change. Okay, no problem. Now just see, I will give you one example. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Yeah, okay, see one example. Just, yeah. Yesterday only result came, so everyone is thinking about result, everyone is thinking about marks. So related from there, I will give you one example. For example, assume two students are there. One student is A, another student name is B. Two students are there, A and B. Just this example, just exam result came, so I'm relating with the marks. No problem. Yeah. Two students are there. One is A, one is B. No problem. Both give NEET exam this year. Both gave NEET exam. Both are getting equal marks. 100, 100. 100, 100. What they will do now? Yeah, Vijay, no problem. What they will do now? Both got 100, 100. But both are very stubborn students. They have already decided, in my life, I want to see entire myself. In my entire life, I want to see as a doctor. They cannot compromise with anything. They want to become doctor. That's why you tell me what they will do. They join long term. They start preparing, joined or not joined. They start preparing. Okay, they said, okay, let's see. They take a challenge. I got 100. I will improve my marks. I will do hard work. Last year I did not did. Now I will do hard. And they did hard work. He got 650 marks. He got 700 marks. Possibility is there. He got 650 marks. He got 700 marks. Now you tell me who did more hard work? Of course, marks represent the hard work. Who did more hard work, A or B? Who did more hard work, A or B? You cannot say both. Yeah. I'm just saying who did more hard work. Depending on the mark. Both have done hard work, but you have to relate them. Who has done more hard work? Yeah, people are saying, sir, B. By seeing, of course, for B change is how much? For B change of the marks, if you see for B change of the marks is 600. This is the change in the marks. And for A change in the marks is 550. So, of course, who has done more hard work? I'm again asking. Come on, tell me one answer. That we will see. Girls, I will go. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. So now dhyan do, most of you are saying sir answer is B. B has got more increase in the marks. For B change of the marks is more. So most of you are saying sir answer is B, answer is B. But here only change I have represented. But always remember, if I put time here now, for example, I say he took 1 year for this and he took 4 years for this. Now you tell me who has done more hard work? Who has done more hard work? Who is more intelligent? Who is more intelligent? Who has done more hard work? Now batao. Now definitely answer will be A. This is what I'm trying to tell. Only change is not important. अरे केवल change important नहीं है. It's not only important. Important is how fast change is happening, and that is known as rate of change of a function. Are you getting importance of rate of change? Are you getting importance? What is meaning of rate of change? Only change is not important. Important is also how fast change. Someone says, sir, I eat 10 chapati. Someone says, I eat 5 chapati. You may think that the person who is saying 10 chapati is more hungry person. That's wrong. He may be eating 10 chapati in 4 days. And that 5, the person who is saying 5 chapati, he may be eating in 1 hour. So always remember, change is not only important, important is also how fast change is happening. Is it okay? Is it okay? Did you got the exact idea? Importance of rate of change? Okay, Khan, we can see that. Yeah, okay, no problem. Is it okay? Yeah. So point is, 2 things till now I have told you. I will ask both of them, then we'll move further. Yeah. Okay, no problem. First thing you tell me, what is the meaning of word function? Anywhere in physics, any chapter you will see word function. What will come in your mind first? Meaning of word function. What is meaning of word function? Come on. Fast, Twarga. I need fast answer. What is the meaning of word function? Dependency. Rocky, that is worth. No problem. Yeah. Dependency. Anywhere, any chapter, no word function came, that means dependency. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Achha, you tell me next. Next, you tell me, what is meaning of rate of change of a function? What is meaning of rate of change of a function? What is meaning of rate of change of a function? What is meaning of rate of change of a function? What is meaning of word rate of change of a function? They will ask you about rate. What is meaning of word rate? What is meaning of word rate? Rate means how fast a quantity is changing. How fast change is happening. Sir, only change is not important. How fast change is happening, that is also. How fast a quantity changes represents the rate of change. Rate of change. So rate of change of displacement. Rate of change means how fast displacement is changing. So rate of change of velocity, how fast velocity is changing. Rate of change of momentum, how fast momentum is changing. So rate of change of magnetic flux, how fast magnetic flux is changing. So all these things will come in entire physics. Is it okay? आगे बढ़े? Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. बहुत बढ़िया. Super. Yeah. Everyone is getting idea. No problem. अच्छा. Change we can find very easily now. You see, sir, here if I ask you to find change, you can find change very easily. Sir, y was 0. From 0, y became 1. Change is 1. From 1, y became 4. Change is 3. Change is very easy to find. But there must be a method to find rate of change now. Ames, we'll talk about that. No problem. I'll give my number. You can message me on WhatsApp. Then we will see those doubts. Yeah. Now, dhyan do what I'm trying to tell. You tell me change we can find. Sir. 100 marks, 650 marks. Change is 550 marks. But there must be a method to find rate of change now. That we cannot find directly. There must be a method now. There must be one technique now. That technique is differentiation. That's why differentiation is used in every chapter, because in every chapter you'll have rate of change. Rate of change means differentiation. Now you can write differentiation. Very good. Now you can write differentiation. We'll talk about this differentiation in detail now. Differentiation. Differentiation. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So point is, again, I will keep on revising the things. Yeah. Okay, that is my habit. Okay. So point is, sir, change is important, but how fast change is happening, that is also chala important, sir. So whenever we talk change, we can find very easily, but there must be a method to find how fast change is happening now. There must be a method to find rate of change now. That method is differentiation. Now you can write, it is the method used to find, it is the method used to find, it is the method used to find, it is the method used to find. Harsha, I will tell, don't worry, at the last 5 minutes we'll talk about your common doubt, don't worry about it. Yeah, right now important thing is going on. It is the method used to find rate of change of a function. Atbu, let's see. Girls campus I am going. If chance will be there, I will come to boys also. Yeah. It is the method used to find. It is the method used to find rate of change of a function. It is the method used to find rate of change of a function. It is a method used to find rate of change of a function. Yeah. In between people are messaging like that. That is distracting us. Now at the end, you can ask those things. Yeah. So point. Okay, no problem. Again. Sir, change is important, but important is also how fast change is happening. That is known as rate of change. So there must be a method. You tell me, what is the use of differentiation? Why we use differentiation? Differentiation is used for what purpose? Come on, tell me. Differentiation is used for what purpose? What is the use of differentiation? Bolo, bolo. What is use of differentiation? What is use of differentiation? Why we use differentiation? To find rate of change. जब भी हमें rate of change चाहिए, whenever we require rate of change, we use only one method. Don't get distracted. Only one method. Mottam universe lo only one method is there. You know, for one thing, so many methods are there. If anyone asks your mom to prepare biryani, she can prepare in 10 ways. But rate of change is calculated only by one method. That is differentiation. Differentiation kevalam method. Mottam universe lo okati method undi to find rate of change. And that okati method is, come on, tell me, what is that okati method to find rate of change? What is that okati method to find rate of change? Tell me that okate method, only one method, mottam. That's why differentiation is so important, given so much of priority. That's why we consider Newton to be the best scientist, because he discovered differentiation. No other method. Go to any part of the universe, no any method, only one method. That is, so whenever we require rate of change, we have only one method. That is differentiation. That is differentiation. So differentiation is used to find rate of change of a function. Now dhyan dena, now dhyan dena. Just here, just here. Okay, no problem, no problem. Now be focused, be focused, be focused. Develop understanding, develop understanding. Then we'll study about rules of differentiation. No problem. Yeah. Achha, how to represent differentiation? Function we represent by small f. Can you tell me how to represent a differentiation? How to represent differentiation? What is the representation of differentiation? We'll not write differentiation every time. Delta we don't use. Some people are saying small d we use. Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. Dhyan dena. Sometimes you will see dy by dx. Sometimes you will see dx by dt. Sometimes you will see dy by dt. Sometimes you will see dv by dr. Dhyan dena, dhyan dena. There is a meaning. There is a meaning. Dhyan dena. Yeah. Khan, very good. Khan is saying, yeah. Dhyan dena. Just see here. How to represent differentiation, and from here only concepts start. From here only people start making mistakes, meaning everyone know. Meaning everyone knows, but people start doing mistakes from here. ध्यान देना, ध्यान देना, ध्यान देना. How to represent differentiation whenever you write dy by. Sometimes you'll see they are writing dy by dx. Sometimes they are writing dx by dt. Sometimes they are writing dy by dt. Sometimes they are writing da by dr. Sometimes they are writing dv by dr. Understand what is meaning of all those things. ध्यान देना, be focused. Be focused. Just here. Just here. Okay, no problem. No problem. Yeah. How to represent differentiation? Just here, yeah. For example, yeah. If I write y equal to fx or y equal to fx, okay, no problem. What is meaning of this? Y equal to fx. What is meaning of this? Kya meaning? What is meaning of y equal to fx? Y is function of x. Y is depending on x. Y equal to fx means y is function of x. Yeah, very good, very good. Everyone got the idea. Now you tell me that means, sir, this means y is function of x. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Now if anyone asks you, see the process. Now see, for example, anyone asks you, find rate of change of y with respect to x. Can you tell me which method you will use? If anyone asks you, find rate of change of y with respect to x, come on, jaldi batao. If anyone asks you, find rate of change of y with respect to x, which method is used to find rate of change? Which method is used to find rate of change? Sir, I will differentiate. Always remember, whenever you will differentiate now, you'll always differentiate with respect to something, because it will change. Y will not change by itself. Dhyan do, y will not change by itself. Y will change only when you will change the x. So that's why rate of change is always calculated with respect to something. Something you will change, function will change. Something you will change, function will not change by itself. Don't think it will remain. Yeah, if you change. So always remember, differentiation is always done with respect to something, or rate is always calculated with respect to something. So here y is depending on x. That means the rate of change of y with respect to x means you will differentiate y with respect to x, and that we write as dy by dx, and that we write as dy by dx. Here denominator means, this denominator means with respect to, and numerator means function rate of function. Yeah, this y means function, denominator means with respect to. First you can write this, come on. Are you getting dy by dx? What is meaning of y there? What is meaning of x there? These are the small doubt which students have. You will be confused. Sometimes sir is writing dy by dx, sometimes sir is writing dx by dt, sometimes he is writing dx by dy. What is meaning of all those things? These are the meaning. This is the meaning. Yeah. Are you getting idea? Kuch chamka? So point is slowly more understanding will come. Don't worry. Just we are starting with the differentiation. Some more example I will give. You will develop understanding. This understanding is very important if you want to cross 150 marks in physics. For 70-80 marks not required. If your target is just I want 70-80 marks, not required. Even if you don't know all these things, 70-80 marks you can get. But if your target is 130, 120, 140, 150 minimum, then these things are required. Now dhyan dena. See, things has been designed very logically. Y function of x. Again see, just एक बार सुन लो दिमाग में बैठ जाएगा. Just सुन लो एक बार दिमाग में बैठ जाएगा. Y is function of x now. Tomorrow if you change x, y will change. So with respect to change of x, how fast y is changing? That is rate of change of y. So rate of change is always calculated with respect to something, and that's why differentiation is always done with respect to something. With respect to whatever with respect to will be there, that will be present in denominator. Function will be present in numerator, and that's why we write dy by dx. Dy by dx means differentiation of y with respect to x. Is it okay till now? अभी तक सही है? समझ में आ रहा है? बोल दो, come on. We'll change the color and we'll do some more situation. अभी तक समझ में आ रहा है? Clear? Okay, gajab sir. Okay, no problem. No. For example, just here, yeah. Achha, if someone give you y is function of x and he asks you dy by dt, tell me what you will do. If I say y is function of x and someone is asking find dy by dt, always remember here y is function of x now. You cannot differentiate with respect to time. This situation will become invalid. Always remember, if y is, you cannot write here dy by dt, that will become invalid because y is not function of x, y is not function of time. You'll always differentiate with respect to the function on which it is dependent. Are you getting idea what I'm trying to tell? Here, if anyone asks me, sir, can I do dy by dx? You can do dy by dx. Yeah, you can do dy by dx. Possible. This is possible, sir, because y is function of x, but dy by dt will become invalid. Is it okay? You tell me when you write any differentiation dy by dx, how you will pronunciate it. Problem is people don't know how to say it. Tell me how you will pronounce this. If I ask you dy by dx, how will pronunciate this and how will pronunciate dy by dt? Bolo, kaise pronunciate karoge? If any function y is given, how will pronunciate this? Come on. Differentiation of what with respect to what? Differentiation of what with respect to what? First one, sir, y, we are differentiating y. Kiske respect mein? X ke respect mein. Here we are differentiating y. Kiske respect mein? Time ke respect mein. So we'll say like this. Here, differentiation of y with respect to x. And here we will say differentiation of y with respect to time. Is it okay? कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? बोल दो. Come on. Is it okay? What is the importance of numerator and denominator? Are you getting that idea? Just basic. This is what I was saying. Basic concept. बहुत बढ़िया. अच्छा, tell me. Come on, tell me. If I say area of circle is pi r square, can you tell me what is this? How will pronunciate this? Final 1-2 situation I will talk. How will pronunciate this? How you will say? What is meaning of dA by dr? What is meaning of dA by dr? Jaldi bata do. Jaldi. Time le do. Jaldi bata do. Whose differentiation with respect to what? Here this is differentiation of numerator. Numerator is area. किसके respect में? Denominator with respect to r. That means rate of change of a with respect to r. Is it okay? Everyone got the idea what I'm trying to tell? Acha, here if I ask you dA by dx, can I ask like this here? dA by dx. बोल दो, come on, त्वरगा. You have to tell me answer fast. Can I write dA by dx? लिख सकता हूं क्या? dA by dx. Invalid. अरे a is not depending on x. How you can differentiate with rest? If it will depend, then only it will change. Then only you can write. Here it will become invalid. So it is depending on r. You should ask with respect to r. This will become invalid. Someone asks dA by dy. Invalid. So always remember, first function will depend. Then when you change dependent quantity, then function will change. Then only you will calculate rate. Is it okay? Bolo, 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 final. I'm asking, is it okay? Is it okay? Ardminda? Okay, no problem. So point is, yeah, up to this we will have today, no problem, yeah. Then I will take some of your doubts, no problem, general doubts, yeah. So point is, okay, no problem, Ardmendi sir, some points, yeah. Just shall we play that game, fastest finger first? Have you seen fastest finger first? Some of the things I will ask from the class. Fastly you have to give answer, but answers will be very fast. Winner will get some gift, online gift. Chalo, theek hai. Okay. Yeah, KBC, it is there, na? Yeah, I only designed that game. First I designed in US. Who wants to be millionaire? From there I brought this game to, then they copied from there. You know that show is completely copied. That is actual show of US. Who wants to be millionaire? So I designed that. And then Indians copied from there. Yeah, he used to live in US that time. Some political problem was going in US, so they called me to solve it. Chalo, come on, SSD. Okay, no problem. Yeah, okay. Come on, everyone will say, what is meaning? Fastest finger first. Every answer has to come fast. I will see who is giving answer first. You tell me what is the meaning of what function? Function means. Come on, function means. Jaldi. Function means. Mohan Rao given first answer. Very good, Mohan Rao. Harsha, you got second. Monish got second. Remaining people third. Function word means dependency. Anywhere, any chapter of physics, if word function will appear, that means dependency. Very good. Achha, you tell me, what is meaning of rate of change of a function? What is meaning of rate of change? Question change. What is meaning of rate of change? First person who is giving answer. What is meaning of word rate of change of a function? What is meaning of what rate of change of a function? Anant gave the correct answer. Anant gave correct answer. How fast a quantity change? Anant, very good. So first time Monish, second Mohan Rao, second time Anant. Okay, no problem. Both are boys. Girls are not able to type fast. Yeah, come on. Third question. Rate of change means how fast a quantity changes. Okay, no problem. Achha, you tell me, is in entire universe any method is to find rate of change of the function? Is there any method to find rate of change of a function? Is any method is there? Sri Ram, very good. First answer came from Sri Ram. People are saying no, sir. Pagal ho gaye ho kya? Method is there na baba. Okate method, Mottam universe lo okate method. Okate method is differentiation. That's why we are studying difference. Differentiation is used to find rate of change of a function. Very good. No problem. Yeah, okay, very good. So first answer Mohan Rao gave. Second answer was given by Monish. Third answer was given by Sri Ram. So congratulations. When you come to offline, I will give you gift. Don't worry. Offline gift will be given to you. Now point is, is it like that when I write? For example, if I am writing, who can pronounce this? How to pronounce this? Differentiation. Okay, differentiation. Kya differentiation? Come on, tell its pronunciation. How we pronounce this? Farida said correct. First answer came from Farida. Yeah, very good. Differentiation. Kiska differentiation? D means differentiation. D means differentiation. No problem. So D means differentiation. Whose differentiation? Z. Function is your Z. Function is our Z. It is depending on what? With respect to what? With respect to what? Y means with respect to Y. That means one thing is sure, that here Z must be function of Y. Then only we can write like this. Very good. Yeah. Who gave answer first for this? I think who gave? I forget while explaining. Yeah, no problem. So up to this we will have Farida gave. Yeah, Farida, very good. So two answers came from boys, one answer came from Farida. You are girl, na? One answer came from girl. So boys are winning. We will keep on counting. Okay, no problem. Okay. Is it okay? Shall we end our class here only? We'll start from here in the next class. Yeah, okay, Farida. Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah. Mohan Rao will start in the next class. Yeah, from here. Sri Ram, what is your saying? No, sir. Gala Gazni, no, continue. I have another class also. Now I have to go from studio to other campus, so that's why it will take time. Ha. Eh. Ha. Okay, no problem, no problem. Push up, I can do any number, no problem. Yeah. So this is how we have talked about. For any doubt, you can message me on WhatsApp. No need to call because call picking is tough. You can message me on WhatsApp. Some people were asking some of the things. Yeah. So you can message me on WhatsApp. You can message me on WhatsApp for valid question. Invalid question you cannot ask. Syllabus this week no test is there, Mohan Rao. Next week test will be there. Yeah. So let's start from here. Point is at the home right now. Just go through the notes. I will come for online. Yeah, online I will be only there. Yeah. So go through the notes only. No need to study any extra thing. If you want, if you have time, do some previous year questions. Any chapter for previous year you can do. No problem. I will come for long term. Yeah, no problem. Syllabus will be completed. February we will complete the syllabus. Means January end, first week of February we will complete. So January end syllabus will be completed. February, March, April, 3 months revision will be there. 3 months revision will be there. And from 15th April, we'll start with our grand test. This is our planning. That's why we are having 3 tracks, so that syllabus will be completed on time and you'll get enough time for revision. I will come long term, no problem. I am there only for long term. Is syllabus reduced or not? No one knows. So we cannot comment. Right now, let few days they will announce. If they don't announce, then we follow old syllabus. What is NLM? Newton's laws of motion will come, no problem. 3 batches will be there. Then not 3 batches, Baba. 3 tracks will be there. Same syllabus will go, same test will be there. Don't worry about it. Yeah. For physics, 3 tracks are there. For physics and chemistry, 3 tracks are there. Same as physics, same as your chemistry, 3 tracks will be there. Is it okay? Shall we end now? Tata, bye bye. Take care. Okay, bye. Remaining some doubt is there related with fee, exam, syllabus. Then you can ask me on WhatsApp. Tata, bye bye. Take care. Slowly start studying. If you're getting time, revise bio, because bio you can do many things by your side also. So you can revise bio. For today, in physics, in boys also 3 tracks will be there. Tata, bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Online class will be there. 1 batch will be there where complete online will be there. Don't worry about it. In offline, I am coming. Definitely, I will come. Pansar may not come for online. You can cover 3 tracks, no problem. We'll guide you how to cover. Bye bye. Take care. Bye. Bye.